In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps and GoHighLevel to get SMMA clients. Whether you're just starting out in social media marketing or looking to expand your client base, employing the right tools and techniques can significantly boost your success. Let's dive right in. Starting off with collecting lead information, Google Maps is a goldmine. When you're exploring potential clients, especially in local businesses, it's all about capturing essential lead data to establish initial contact. So head over to Google Maps and start looking for businesses in your targeted niche area. As you gather relevant information, be thorough. For each business, make sure to note the business name, and if possible, the owner's name as well. Next, jot down their phone number, website, and email. Don't forget to include the number of Google reviews, which can provide insight into their customer engagement. Lastly, record any social links you find associated with the business. Having this comprehensive data set is crucial for tailored outreach later on. Now, moving on to the next phase, you'll need to import these leads into GoHighLevel. This process begins by opening up your prospecting sub-account on the platform. Once you're in there, navigate straight to the Contacts section. Here you find a simple and convenient option to import contacts. This step ensures all your collected leads are systematically organized and ready for engagement. It's essential for maintaining consistency, preventing any potential data loss, and having everything you need at your fingertips. With your leads neatly imported, it's time to build an outreach pipeline. Developing a structured outreach plan is crucial for ensuring you're engaging with your prospects methodically and effectively. Visualize your pipeline as a journey through which each lead progresses from initial contact to potential conversion. Within GoHighLevel, you can set up this pipeline to customize and automate the way contacts are nurtured through the stages of your sales process. As you build this framework, consider your business goals and client needs to maximize impact. Automation is your best friend when managing leads and implementing your outreach strategy. So we're going to automate cold outreach using GoHighLevel workflows. These workflows are invaluable. They allow you to set up automation for following up with potential clients without the repeated manual effort. Identify the appropriate workflow trigger, which will initiate your predefined sequence of actions. This could be as simple as a lead filling out a contact form or any criteria you set. Once triggered, the automated workflow takes over, ensuring your outreach efforts are consistent, timely, and customized, all without you having to press a button each time. And there you have it. By strategically using Google Maps to gather lead information and GoHighLevel to import, organize, and nurture these leads, you're perfectly set up to expand your SMMA client base. This combination of research, organization, and automation can immensely elevate your client acquisition strategy, helping you build a growing and thriving social media marketing business. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your client outreach.